How to hide desktop icons on your computer. So whether you are using Windows 10 or 11, it's the same process. So first thing what you want to do if you are to hide all of these icons or just clear all of your desktop so that it looks clean and non-clutter. So just right click on any of the empty space on your home screen of your Windows and you just have to click on this option that is view. So once you hover over to the view option over here, you should see the option. As you can see, my option is currently checked to show desktop icons, which is why I'm getting all of these icons over here. So I'll simply head over to view section over here and I'll simply deselect this option, and as you can see, my all of the files or applications or folders which were previously on my home screen of my Windows has been disappeared. And just like that, you have successfully hidden all of the apps on your desktop of Windows 10 or 11. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.